And here we are setting out our 3 rods to do some giant bluefin tuna fishing. Most of tuna fishing is just a waiting game, but thankfully you're watching a video so you don't have to do that part, and it's gonna get going pretty shortly.
Alright, fish.
Fish.
Well, with the power of editing, you're not going to have to sit through this part, but a lot of bluefin fishing is the waiting game. We've got our baits out, and now we wait, and that's all you can do. And sometimes you wait, and that bite never happens. And I put in a couple days worth of that. I haven't put in a near amount of the time that most have, because I get to fish with some people who are pretty good at catching them, but not going to make you sit through all the waiting. I'm going to fast forward a little bit and we will get to the bite when we do get hooked into one.
Travel. That him? We got him on, guys. That's him. Where do you want me? Should I get gloves on? Where am I going? He's going in the
He said which rod holder?
That one there. No, the other one, sorry. The other one, Austin. Tight. Yeah, tight fit. Definitely under. I'm not joking. Well, as long as we get the harpoon put back together.
So we've got the boat pointed at the fish and we're now chasing it. That's what you have to do with these fish. Even with an 80 wide, you do not have enough line for them and they will take all of it if you try to fight them stationary. So we're chasing them and it's an angry fish. It keeps taking line even though you can see we're moving forward at a pretty good rate of speed.
On this thing for a minute. All right. Let me get the mono and switch back.
Okay.
I had to take my filter off too. You want to know what happened? Nice and slow.
Not much at a time, but I am gaining. Oh, here he goes again. All right, he slowed down. Or you probably put it in gear too.
I'm kind of sailing towards him. I'm gonna keep him tight.
Yep.
Nolan, I am gonna open this.
Okay.
By the way, guys, whoever's on the harpoon, if you think that you possibly can hit him, throw it. I don't care about missing. Bring it back up.
So you heard Patrick say, when we get a chance to try to throw that harpoon, that's what we're going to try to do. Doesn't matter if you miss, you got to try. I mean, we had a rough ocean. You don't know when a wave is maybe going to make something weird happen. So just keep this in mind, because it does get a little interesting later on when that harpoon comes out.
I have a pair of orange gloves if you want one for your...
Leather gloves.
Yeah, okay. Hang on. Wait. You don't need to help me out too much. Oh, there he goes again. Definitely not fight myself to exhaustion, because I'd imagine this will not be my only.
You might have to switch back off of me after I'm done with it.
Oh, I'm planning on it.
Here a while. Looking at double box. Yeah. Before we get out of range, we call Jacksonville. We might need a come along. Pull the rod out.
Oh, I bet.
I must have jammed it out of the hard.
Well, all that progress is gone. Wow. He's mad. It was tight. Whew.
So what you're seeing right now is the long and anxious fight that typically comes when you hook a nice sized bluefin. You're just hoping that he doesn't chafe off and that that hook has found the right spot and that it's not going to pull off. Seas were pretty rough this day. Thankfully, we're chasing him down sea right now. We were, just hoping that the rough water, that can definitely influence your hook pulling. So we had our fingers crossed.
guess you can probably see the line doing that, but.
I take that left-hand turn, Patrick. Okay. Go down, see. Keep it down here into the braid right now, easily. That's what it's trying to do. Coming under us. Okay.
You good for a minute?
Get some water.
Well, do what?
I thought you were about to go get some water or something.
Oh, I'm probably gonna change a battery on my camera. You think you got it for a while? Got it.
There's some, actually, if you give me a LaCroix, that'd be awesome.
Here you go. What you say? That'll be me. All right.
How deep are we? We're probably down about 70 feet.
And what, you try to go like right there on his pec fin, behind his gill plate, somewhere right there?
When an ocean like this?
Anywhere. Okay.
How about on the drag there? Are you just above the button?
I'm not above the button. You want me to now?
Just above it, yeah.
Here, you come look at this guy. If you're gonna do, I mean, I know what it's. Yep. All right, that's where it is.
It's like great. We're not gonna have to use both 20 minutes. I think he's a smaller fish. He's burning 12 out.
He went deep for a little bit. Now he's back on top again.
Right on top, man. That bird's right on top of it. Hey, Austin's smiling at me.
I'm glad I'm not short. Short guy'd have a hard time fighting one like this.
Yeah. I mean, even for me, I'm huge.
Yeah.
It's like I had to lean all the way over to get in on the reel. Especially when it's turned back this way, you have to sit on the other side of it. You think you've been gaining a little? Yeah, we got half the mono in. Okay. He's not that far. You want to play with him?
If you want to.
Go ahead.
I mean, there's no reason to.
He's just hanging out right now. He's just hanging out.
As you can see now, we've got a good bit of our top shot back on the reel. This fish is starting to settle down. but the fight was far from over. This was a pretty big fish, and he had quite the attitude.
No.
Not very far right now. He heard us.
Yeah, he did. Slowly but surely. Might have just turned again.
Sounds like one of them getting stuck.
What? No, I think that's, it might be. So you saw right there, I lost line, then the fish turned and I started to gain line. He is starting to make really big circles, that circle that the tunas make toward the end of the fight. We didn't realize how far from the end of the fight we still were, however, once he started doing this. All right.
Forward, reverse.
There he is. Yep. Swivels right there. Yep. Patrick, how in the hell did you do this by yourself? I think he's turning right there this time. Yeah, he turned. Swivel. I see the swivel. Okay, he's going left.
Doing a great job, Nolan.
Thank you. Trying. Get that start ready. Ah, he's gonna take it back. He's taking the swivel back.
Bad luck.
Ah, you're right. I probably shouldn't have even said it that soon. I'm just excited. He just took it back. Not far though.
You gotta hold it right.
I see it again.
Yeah. Right now, it's gonna be like 1 or 2 more circles.
So like I said, we thought this fish was about done when he started making tight circles under the boat. And we were wrong. You can see though, with this rough ocean, so you see Austin there is having to keep that line off the tip of the boat for me. When the rod is really loaded, when it comes around right there, that line can touch the front of the boat. So he just used his hand to keep it off of there. But you can see, if you watch this, the difference between being at the crest of the wave and in the trough. There's sometimes the rod will be completely loaded, sometimes it'll almost be slack, but it was just rough. The waves were close together. You can see we're bouncing around, and there it did what I was talking about. So it just made the fight really challenging here at the end, trying not to put too much pressure to pull that hook, but also putting enough pressure on it. I mean, it's a big fish. Even if he was just completely stone dead, it takes a lot of pressure to pick that fish up, even though he's really tired. So it was pretty tricky here at the end. All right, you're good, Patrick. Whoa. It's in the reel. It's in the rod. All right, back on the reel. Reverse. Show me. All right. I can swing it. You're good. right, swivel's back underwater. It's coming back up. All right, you want to get on this?
Yeah, sure.
Doing what I can, but he won't quit. Fight just got a lot different. It's gonna be right here. Again on this side of the boat. Yep. Oh, well, he's very close. Yeah, I see him get. You ready to?
See him?
Yeah. All right, you got it. I can see him down there. Still got a little ways. Yeah. Oh yeah.
There he was.
Yeah. You're good.
He's right here, Patrick. We can almost throw him.
Get ready to spin your rod, okay? All right, go with your rod. Crank.
Get a shot, throw it.
He's way down there still.
He's gonna loop again.
Yep.
Come back under.
I don't want to try that deep. You ready? You ready? All right. This might be it right here.
It's gonna be this pass.
Crank if you can. Should I try?
Hit him.
Missed.
Nope, miss. Get it up, Patrick, now. Get it right here, he's on the surface. Right there in the head.
There you go.
All right. You ready with the gas?
Take off. No. Get the rod out of the rod holder.
Shot, Wyatt. Nolan.
Oh, that is a nice fish, guys.
Hit him in the head.
Let me know if you need me to do anything at all.
Walking back here, son.
Okay.
Get through.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Yeah, you're good, Patrick. The little thing hadn't snapped shut, but
That's what WD-40's for.
Good job, guys.
Hold on.
hold on.
Close that right there. Close. You're gonna have to just. There we go.
There you go.
You locked in? Okay, so what?
Should I pull this tape off here?
Yeah. Yeah, he's 400. Nice. Dude, look at him, boy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
We had another one. Okay, it's not over yet.
Yeah. I'm gonna lay this down right here. Is that cool?
Okay. Austin, you're safe to come out.
Where's your tail rope at?
That white rope.
Okay.
Come out with the gap on.
You gonna come grab his tail for me, Austin?
Yeah.
You usually gap it, don't you? You don't just...
Yeah, I'll get it. I'm like, just grab it on the upswing. Once I can see it, there it is. Make sure I got them. Come on.
Yep, you're good.
Got it. Hold on. Here you go.
I'm stuck. All right.
Daddy! Okay, so Nolan, you can actually just leave a little bit of slack where it won't go in the motor,
Yeah.
and then clean it off on the back.
I'll just film you. Hold on.
Okay.
I'll film you doing that part.
That's right.
Yeah, you're good.
Aren't you glad we're not in Oklahoma? And you can slide him in. Let's not overdo it.
It's not gonna hit me, right?
I don't want him to slide that way, yeah.
It feels like as soon as he's gonna like knock me out of the pool.
Get on this other side then, we'll He's a nice one. That's a toad. He's a toad. That's a toad. Oh, he's in the boat now. He's in the boat now.
Give me one more second.
because it sucks, but this is like damn near the most important part of the whole freaking thing. And
Click on the damn video.
sucks. Oh, baby.
98 inches.
Dang.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really cool that first time when he came up and you could see his fins come out. That was pretty neat. His fin and his
His
tail.
little sickle.
And he looked so gassed right then, and he just was not. When you catch a bluefin, you pretty much go straight to the dock, because with most of the fish we commercially fish for, you can put them onto your truck and then take your truck to the seafood market. But with bluefin, the only way for that fish to legally exit the boat if it's being sold is if it is going directly to the seafood dealer. That may not be the correct wordage for that, but it's very highly regulated. So the seafood dealer has to come and meet us at the dock to take the fish from us.
Will I be able to? I went this morning. Oh yeah. There's that in.
Right there?
Yep.
99 and a half.
99 and a half.
Here is my good buddy Lewis tagging this fish. Lewis works with Blue Ocean Fish Market, and that is who was in charge of taking our bluefin off of our hands. And all these fish, they have to get tagged before they can leave the boat, like I was saying, and not just anyone can tag it. Has to be a seafood dealer. So that's what's happening right there, and now we are good to go and we can offload the fish. Bring his head over.
Yeah. Got long sickles, that thing.
Hey! Was there another rope that already had that knot in it? Nope.
So what you're seeing here is just the process that every bluefin tuna has to go through for it to go from the fisherman to a market or dealer and then to a buyer.
Come out here and get right the front fin, I think. You are a lot bigger. I got fishy hands there. I picked you right up. What are you doing? Well, you're about twice the size.
So these bluefin tuna are not worth as much as they are made out to be on TV and on social media. I know that when you're watching the show Wicked Tuna, a lot of the times you'll see, like when they have a good paying fish, they'll tell them $28 a pound, $32 a pound, which is just an unrealistic number. That I don't think that ever happens. The fisherman never makes that. If a fisherman made 1/3 of that, they would be pretty happy. That would be just fine. That'd be a good price. Nobody's getting rich off of bluefins. There's guys that are earning an honest living doing it. There's guys that are basically trying to cover their expenses to get a chance to fish for these fish. And there's also a lot of guys that are losing money trying to catch some fish to sell, and it just doesn't end up working out. Bluefin fishing is a very hard thing to do. But anyway, this is about it for the video. You're going to see the rest of the processing here, and I hope you enjoyed.
Need some good gloves.
So you just have to
So
get in there and
there's-
detach it, and then it comes through the throat when you, or no?
That's so that.
That's
when you
not-
grab
that's
the
not gonna
front,
be
it all
Hollywood.
falls right out. I was gonna say, just start laying the boom down.
go lower than that?
No, we're gonna have to go.
Man, I'm stuck over here. It's just when you have to maneuver that thing and you can't turn the way
once you start to go that way,
Exactly.
it pushes the fish the other way.
All right, is she all disconnected?
Maybe.
The damage.
No.
Okay, just gonna pull off.
Yep. For sure. Oh yeah.
And then don't you just gotta come right there?
That right? Pray the butt.
Do all that good stuff. Yeah, well, it's a big fish, man.
Guess we gotta move it so that your tag number is displayed. There we go.
That.
I don't know what that means, but that's what it looks like.
Let me see it.
It's not bad.
That's awesome. Looks great. Looks like Wagyu.
Austin, I knew you would want that.
Menhaden?
about your sushi?
good.
Here you go.
I don't know.
Dude.
That's delicious.
Where's that white knife?
Really
You
good.
did get, I mean, you got it from the lower part. That's where it's supposed to come from.
That was good.
I don't believe you. I don't know. I had some from Jimmy last year.
God, it's bad.
You guys don't like it?
After
Did you
smelling-
get any Menhaden aftertaste? A little bit?
It's oily.
Yeah. See, I think that's probably what
You'd be more about.
Jimmy
you
gave
need a
me.
little bit of
No,
sweet rice
I
on
think
it,
I think
and
that that's what I
Maybe.
had that wasn't good. I don't
Maybe
know.
like done right. Whatever Wyatt did,
Not good.
not good. He's pretty good at cooking.
yeah, we can cook fish.
Oh,
Dude,
that looks good.
But
it's
that
like
was-
literally butter.
Looks good.
Damn right, what?
Dude, now I'm starting to get the hang
Here,
of this.
give me like the tiniest piece from over here. Not from that. I don't want that.
Look at this.
I don't want that one.
Okay.
Some from right in there, the bottom. You don't need to cut more. Just a little, like a that chunk right there will be fine.
I don't want to touch it with the oily hands and
Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna be tasting more Menhaden.
shit.
Menhaden burps.
You got any pets recently?
What?
I was hoping it was gonna be Pat,
Alright.
but Jackie texted me and saying they had a fish.
Oh. I hope they catch one.
Me too.
Better than the first time, but not as good as you thought it would be.
That wasn't bad. I had like a piece of
This up, Lewis?
like not gristle, but probably some of the connective tissue in between the grains of the meat.
Catch 1 or 2 a day.
It wasn't bad, but I still feel like
Are you kidding me? Like last year?
I don't know that.
Y'all got to pretty much do
There's
whatever
definitely
you
still
want.
some.
I'm telling you.
There's some
that-
fish.
a
There's
piece
some.
like a piece.
Good footage?
Oh yeah, plenty.
Exciting. Good pictures? Anybody?
Yeah. Oh, I got pictures. Yeah,
$1
that's
a pound,
insane.
400-pound fish. But yeah, it's worth an hour of our time.
Absolutely.
Hey!
It's already 30 pounds. pounds.
Whoa, dude. It's already 30.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh, what is it?
Wait.
461.
461.
462.
You're gonna reweigh it or just take 17 pounds off that? It'll be 450 without the tail.
Perfect.
I just heard that thing crack.
Yeah. I heard that too.
I need to be able to, I'm gonna try to get the head to go that way, right?
Yeah. All right, watch.
Then you'll slide in and displace all that ice? Yep.
Is it going?
Yep. Not really.
All right. So now he is.
He's in there.
Oh yeah, that's swim.
That's right. I'd be able to cut the tail right off.
Yep.
I think you should leave it up like that.
You have to leave the tail on because he has to be able to get it out later.
No, we don't, dude. We can cut it off. I can get the. I'll be able to get the straps under.
Now that is pretty.
That's what it's supposed to look like, fellas.
All right.
Next stop.
Cool.
It's kind of scary.
Well,
Got to get everybody trained up.
well, the only thing we need to do better is catching them.
That's your job.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, guys.